It's Saturday and there's a drift event at OSW, so Raven and I are gonna go there. I did a few donuts and a brand new Camaro today. That was cool. I didn't film it, but we're gonna grab some food and then head to the track. It's extremely hot and we're in this Prius and the AC sucks. So hopefully we don't die of heat stroke before we even get to the track. Okay, just kidding, we're not in a Prius. The AC was not working how it should be working, so now we're in the truck. Back on the road. We made it to the track. No one's driving until 6. It's 5:40 right now. I think they're gonna do like tech and stuff on the cars. There's a lot of BMWs here. BMW. There's Keegan's car over there. Another E36 next to him. An E46. It's an S chassis. Only BMWs and S chassis. That's pretty crazy. Sorry. Full name is Chris Jackson. Always late. Sorry. So by the time you exit the skid pad and get off of the old asphalt, go off of the new asphalt onto the old. Out of drift, 10 miles an hour, please. On the oval. We prefer that you run the FD layout. You don't have to, but we would prefer that. If you do not run the FD layout, on this side of the track, do not drift from the grandstand side back towards the pits on the bank. You can run the apron there, that's fine. Here we go. Well, I'm gonna try and get some like in-car footage from somebody, so if I can get a ride with preferably Keegan, get some cool in-car footage for you guys, and then yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. Me and Raven just kind of want to spend some time together, so I'm sure you guys understand. I'm not sure how long the video will be, but I'll try and get you a 10-minute video from today's event. All right, I talked to Keegan. He's gonna let me do a ride along with him, and we're gonna go to the oval instead of the skid pad. So that'll be sweet, because I've never really gotten to drive the oval with like a high horsepower car. So to ride with him and kind of see the things he does on entry to stay up high on the bank will benefit me later on. Should be fun. What are you doing?
Trying to get this off my shoe.
On my truck.
I cleaned it. I'll clean it again.
Nasty
So
girl.
weird.
Look who decided to show up.
Hey guys, it's Adam and Nicole LZ here.
Maybe it's because I never run that.
Whoa, look at that shadow. I hope you guys are having a great day, because it's a beautiful sunshiny day in Florida, which means that it's actually hot as heck. Oh wait, Caleb's coming. Yeah, I have nothing important to say, except that you guys should like this video if you want to see Caleb out here drifting, and if you want to see his car finished wicked fast. Alright, bye.
Loud in here! The track was extremely hot, but it was fun, and it was cool to see everybody driving, having a good time. Wish I could have been out there with them. I got to ride with Keegan on the oval. That shit is fast as fuck. He was killing it. And shout out to all the kids that came up, kids and grown-ups. They came up and bought some stickers. I got to see both of them on a car for the first time, which is pretty cool. And now me and Raven are gonna go get some dinner and just have a night, you know, the two of us. So
Carlos.
and Carlos. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notification button on, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.